Hey guys, Pallav with you from Affiliate Success Hub, and in this particular video we are going to be talking about the sneaky way of building a successful affiliate marketing business with solo ads traffic. And 97% struggling affiliate marketers have absolutely no clue about it. In a moment from now, we're going to see a very special and effective tool which I have been using for years now to kind of predict my success about affiliate marketing in advance. Now imagine if we have a tool and a magic box of exactly seeing your numbers and then future predicting that whether this particular source is going to make you profit or not. Then your business is going to scale up like rocket speed. And just for staying with me in this particular video, I have a super special bonus for you announced at the end of the video. So stay tuned and let's begin. Alright, so let's look into this in details about this sneaky little tool or the sneaky way of building a successful affiliate marketing business. Now, 97% struggling marketers out there have absolutely no clue, and in fact when I even started online and I started buying traffic, especially solo ads traffic, I didn't know that this kind of a tool exists in the market, and that's the reason why I lost literally thousands of dollars because I didn't know that this kind of tool exists in the marketplace. So it was a big mistake for me when I started buying traffic online. Now, what differentiates a successful affiliate marketer from a not so successful marketer, and eventually they leave the industry and give up on their dreams of building a successful affiliate marketing business? See the exact pinpointed reasons. Number one is tracking. All successful marketers track their business. They know their numbers. If they are buying traffic from source, they know that how many clicks they are receiving, what is the opt-in, whether they're making any sales or not from that particular traffic sources. Knowing your numbers is very important when it comes to buying solo ads traffic, because say for example you're buying from 3 different sources at the same point of time. You've ordered, let's say, 200 clicks from source 1, you have ordered a 500 clicks from source B, and you have ordered 1,000 clicks from source C. Now let's assume also that the traffic have started at the same time, or they're kind of overlapping. Now if you do not know your numbers exactly from which source, what kind of traffic you are getting, let's say source A and B is giving you absolute garbage traffic which is not converting for you. However, source C, from where you have bought 1,000 clicks, is converting like a gangbuster. It's giving you conversions, opt-ins and sales. But if you don't track, then at the end of the traffic run, how do you know that out of these 3 sources which has produced opt-in subscribers and sales for you? Chances are you will assume that the sales and the conversions have come from source A or B, and you'll be ordering from them again. Alright? So imagine what kind of a debacle it's going to be. Even worst case scenario, a lot of newbie marketers don't even know that. Let's say they have ordered 500 clicks and they don't know how many clicks they have actually received in reality. Whatever the vendor says, you have to depend on that. However, on the contrary, a pro marketer knows exactly the numbers, the clicks numbers, the opt-in numbers, the sales numbers are always there on their fingertips. So they've ordered the same traffic from source A, B and C, and if A and B are not converting but C is converting, what they're going to do, they're going to be ordering more traffic from source C, and they're going to scale their business, and they're going to never touch source A and B because they know that it's not converting. So you can imagine, right, how important it is to have this kind of tool in your kitty. Now number C, what I already have touched upon, is scale what's working and completely reject or discard others which are not working for you. Because when you're buying traffic, it costs you money, correct? Your business is important for you. It's as important as your life, because it's going to feed your family. It's going to, it might be building a parallel income stream for you. Eventually, you'll be leaving your traditional job and building a full-time successful online marketing business and live your dream laptop lifestyle. That's what all of us want, correct? So for that, it's very important to know your numbers. So what what the tool which I use for this purpose is by the name of Clickmagic. There are a lot of tracking softwares out there, and all of them are great. However, I have been using Clickmagic for over 4 years now. It's been great for me because it shows me the exact numbers. They have a great trading system that if you're stuck anywhere, you can simply go to the help section. You can look at the help desk support. You can submit them a ticket. You can also go through their knowledge base, and they have a huge knowledge base with manual PDF and videos, and even if you're starting off, you have all the information right at your fingertip. Plus they have, as you can see over here, they have a live chat support and help desk support, so everything they have in place for you. Now let's dig deeper and see how this actually is going to help for you. Let's say I ordered this traffic from about an offer known as commission hotshot, one of my own offers, from Daniel. Now I have ordered 500 clicks. So how do I know how many clicks Daniel has given to me? Because I can see over here 535 unique clicks. That means he has ordered me, he has given me back 500 plus, he has given me some OD or over delivery, which is great. So first of all, I know that he has delivered the traffic. Then I know my sales number. I can see how many sales I have got from this traffic. I was not calculating my opt-in for this for some reason, but I was calculating the sales, so I know that exactly how many sales I have got. So everything over here, I can track over here the opt-in numbers, the sales numbers, everything I can see and I can track over here. And now if it's your own product, then you can track your sales and opt-in. If it's not your own product, at least you can track your traffic. Plus, if you click on this, you will be seeing on which date, what kind of traffic he has sent, the IP address of the traffic, and all that cool stuff. Say for example, if the person says that I have sent you all tier 1 traffic, that is 100% top 5 countries, Australia, New Zealand, UK, US and Canada. But if you see that the IP address is from some other country, you can grab the person and say that what you are saying is a lie, because I can see that in my tracker. So everything you can track like that, completely like a flow. Now if I go to this click breakdown, I can see the primary URL, if there is a repeat URL or not. All this particular stuff I can manually see over here. Now let's say if I want to see the traffic quality, I can simply click over here and I can see the traffic rating. I can see that the traffic has come from 100% has come from tier 1 countries. If I have paid for 100% tier 1 countries, so I'm absolutely happy with the services. That the traffic score is 95. Now every time you order a traffic, you see a traffic score. So anything beyond this 80 or 100 is absolutely great for you. So you can see how you can, like a diagnostic center, you can diagnose your traffic, right? Which is absolutely great. Then if I see the public, the traffic analysis, I can see from which country the traffic has come. Now next thing, if I want to see the public stats, I can simply go over here and I can see the stats, from which country, what states the traffic has come. Another important thing, a lot of solo ad buyers, when you go over there, they kind of send you bot or spider traffic and flag traffic, which is not user, which is absolutely not something which you need in your business, because a bot traffic can be inside your email list, and which can kill your autoresponder reputation. It's like somebody is entering something manually by machine, right? So what you can do also in click tracker like Clickmagic, and there are many out there, you can you can block the abuser, you can block the anon, and you can flag the bot server, so that any bot click or any kind of spider or any kind of, let's say, bad clicks coming your way, which is of no use for you, the tracker is going to automatically block them from coming into your way. All right, so you can see the benefits of having a tracker like this, and how it can differentiate from a successful marketer to a not successful marketer, and how it can be a sneaky little tool for you to building a successful affiliate marketing business. Because with this kind of a tool, you can know your numbers in advance, and you can exactly track that what I have paid for, am I getting that or or not. All right, So that's the way all the pro marketers out there, they use this kind of tool to scale their business. Now, as promised to you, I have something very special for you for staying with me in the video. What I have for you is this bonus of my 10K per month groundbreaking affiliate marketing system. Down below somewhere in the description or in the comment section, I have put a link of my groundbreaking 10K per month affiliate marketing system. You can simply go over there and grab it and use it. And if you love the content of the video, and if you are someone who are aspiring to be an affiliate marketer, or if you already are, then do feel free to like the video to encourage me, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that whenever I upload a video, with the help of that bell icon, you get a direct notification into your email inbox. Once again, thank you so much for staying with me in this video and liking the video. And in the next video, I am going to talk to you about how to build a 10,000 subscriber email list within 90 days with solo ads traffic. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.